Robo! I am home! I missed you today. Are you ready to play with me today? I brought something new. Look, Robo. This is my new toy car. Robo? Why are you so quiet today? Can you hear me? Please say something. Why are you not moving? Oh no. What happened to you? Are you broken? You always talk to me after school. Please wake up, Robo.
Ben, what is wrong? Why are you crying?
Mom, Robo is not working. He is not saying anything.
Let me see him, Ben. Give him to me carefully.
Mom, he still looks strange. Please make him okay.
The battery may be dead. We need to find new ones.
Mom, let us go fast! Oh! I do not want to leave him like this.
Come with me, Ben. We will check the kitchen drawers. Look carefully, Ben. The batteries may be in a small box.
Mom, there are too many things here. I cannot find them.
Do not panic, Ben. Keep checking the backside.
Mom! Wait, I found something. I think these are the batteries.
Yes, these look right. Let us go back quickly.
Come on, Mom! Please let this help him! Let us try again. Stand close, Ben. Please let this work, Mom. Please wake up, Robo.
Ready, Ben? Let us see now.
No. Why is he still not working? It may be something else. Do not lose hope yet. This makes me very sad, Mom. I thought the batteries would help.
We may need more help. Dad may know what to do.
Do you think Dad can fix Robo? I hope he comes soon.
What is happening here? Why is everyone so worried?
Dad, Robo is not working. He will not talk at all.
We changed the batteries. But nothing happened.
Let me help. Give him to me.
Dad, can you fix Robo? Please be careful with him.
I will do my best, Ben.
How?
Bring me the small screwdriver.
Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. I will get it now.
I am opening him now. Stay very still.
Dad, there are so many tiny parts. Please fix him.
Wait, I see something. A wire is loose.
Dad, can you fix that? Please do it now.
Yes, I think I can. But I need a quiet moment.
Ben, stand a little back. Let Dad work carefully.
Okay, Mom.
I am trying to stay calm.
I am moving the wire now.
No.
No one shake the table.
Dad, I am not moving. Please help him.
You are doing well, Michael. I think the wire is better now.
I just need one more second.
Dad, my heart is beating so fast. I am really scared.
It is okay, Ben.
We are here together. All right, I fixed the wire. Now I will close him.
Dad, please be careful. Do not hurt Robo.
I know, Ben. I am closing him slowly.
It looks good now. Maybe this will work.
Can we try now, Dad? Please let me hold him. My hands are shaking. I am scared to press the button.
Take a deep breath, Ben. Do it slowly.
Okay? I am pressing it now.
Please wake up, Robo. Please come back.
Wait 1 second. Sometimes it takes time.
Why is nothing happening?
Dad, did it work?
Wait, Ben. Look at his eyes.
Hello? Ben, I am Kirv.
Robo! You are back.
It is working now. Oh, Ben, look at him.
We fixed him. He is okay again.
I missed your voice so much. I thought I lost you.
Thank you, Ben. Hey, man, thank you, family.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
We are proud of you, Ben. You stayed strong.
What happened here? Is Robo okay now? I am so happy for you. You looked really scared.
But I did not want to stop trying. Now it is time to rest. It has been a long day.
I want Robo near me tonight. Yes, he can stay with you. Just be gentle with him.
I will take care of him. I promise.
Thank you, Ben. I am happy.
Today I learned something. Love means not giving up.
That is a good lesson, Ben.
Good night, Robo. Sleep beside me.
Good night, Ben. I am here.